Hi and welcome to ACE, Access Care and Empowerment, a mobile app for people who inject drugs in WA. This video will show you how to use the map function in the app to find the service you need. When you open the app, click on the Maps icon. When the map launches, select the magnifying glass to search for your service. Various services listed in our GeoMaps will appear. Select the services you are interested in and enter a location. You can also type in the distance to define the search. For example, I'm looking for NSEPs, Health Service-based NSPs, and naloxone sites in East Perth. So I select NSEPs, Health Service-based NSPs, and naloxone sites, and type in East Perth. Select the identified location in the drop-down menu. I'll do a search within 10 kilometers. Click Search. You can see that the map will highlight these locations. The results section lists these locations as well according to the type of service. You can minimize this as well to see more of the map. When you zoom into the map, you can click on the service you want more information on, for example NSEP WA AIDS Council or Peer-Based Harm Reduction WA. A health service-based NSP, for example Magenta and Swapwa, or a naloxone site, for example Busy Bee Pharmacy in Northbridge. If you want to find out how you can get to a chosen location, for example Busy Bee Pharmacy, from where you are, click on the location in the information box and you will be taken to Google Maps where you can select directions to get there based on your location. You will need to activate your access to your location on your mobile phone. Click the back button on your phone to take you back to the app interface. ACE is designed with a high level of security and no personal data is stored on your device or browser. Thank you for watching this video.